I'm back at my room and so good to see it after so long. And look at this plant. I thought it will die, but abhi tak zinda hai. And yes, let's clean now. First is this nose strip, but I got it as free. Then second, I have this Garnier micellar cleansing water, sunscreen, body wash, and I'm excited for this one. This is Mars eyeliner. Oh god, guys, it's leaking. What's this? No. Oh my god, guys, it was a free product and it was all open and so leaking. But I got this L'Oreal's conditioner, earbuds, face wash, Plum's perfume, and I got this face razor from Sirona, I guess. This Nykaa hand wash, my free product from Plum. And this one is also I got free from Plum. Last but not the least, I have L'Oreal's conditioner. This is the serum and the shampoo. The filler, but it's all empty now.
야, 너 지금 뭔가 착각했나 본데. 그건 넌. 아이고, 술 먹고 기억 안 날까봐 또 켜놨어?